Hello, today I'm going to discuss about the polar lights, the dynamic display of colors across the sky near the North Pole as well as near the South Poles. They are also called Aurora Borealis and Aurora Australis. These are purely random phenomenon, highly unpredictable. As the title of the video suggests, solar wind, auroras and internet data security. How I'm connecting all these things. That's what I'm going to discuss in this video. Now first let's understand how these polar lights are formed. In a nutshell, it's because of the interaction between the solar wind and the gaseous atoms in the atmosphere. That's it. That's enough for the moment, So these gaseous atoms, you have electrons in them. They get excited and they come back to their ground states or the stable states. In so doing, they release energy. And you see colors across the sky. The interaction between the solar wind and the gaseous atoms is purely random. And a manifest of this randomness is the display of colors across the sky. Now, why this can be useful to our world? Now, we talk about data security across the world. Now, how can we secure our data? We need very, very unpredictable cryptographic keys. In other words, these keys must be decided on the basis of some physical processes which has plenty of randomness in it. Now, this polar lights phenomenon is highly random. So we can make use of that to generate the cryptographic keys. In simple terms, if you're able to get these snapshots of these displays, and because they are transient in nature, you know that the intensity at every point is going to vary with time. So both you have two kinds of randomness here, the intensity as well as how it depends on time. Now both can be encapsulated, and this information can be used to generate a truly random number. In other words, that's what you require to generate a cryptographic key. Now remember, all these true random number generators are judged by what is called a concept called the min entropy. That's very important because min entropy is a measure of the randomness of the system. It can take values between 0 and 1. 0 means your key is highly predictable. 1 means it cannot be predicted. And the more a key cannot be predicted, then your data is more secured. So we can rely on this natural, highly random phenomenon to help generate cryptographic keys. So this idea can definitely be useful. We can put it into use. And if there is if there are no clouds, we can clearly observe this during some months of the year. If there are no overcast skies, then definitely we can get these patterns. Or even if you wait for a few minutes, we will get infinite amount of data from which we can be able to get these cryptographic keys. This is my idea, and I'm proposing this to the world because you don't have to design very complex physical system to exhibit tremendous amount of randomness, because it's not easy to design such systems. Instead, we will rely on these natural phenomena. For millions of years it has happened, and for another billions of years this will go on. So we have a ready-made system with so much of randomness which we can put it into good use. So this is my simple idea to the world, which will ensure data security. I'm pretty confident about that the randomness will be pretty much close to 1. I don't want to say it will be 1, but I have every reason to believe that it will be 1 because it's a purely random phenomenon. So please think about this idea. It's possible to develop it further, and we can generate more reliable cryptographic keys because today data is everything. And if you don't have resilient, systems that can resist hacking, we will definitely we have to face all kinds of trouble. So, considering the importance of data security and the importance of generating very, very reliable cryptographic keys, when I say reliable cryptographic keys, that means nobody can easily predict that. It's going to be a lot more useful to the world. I'm Prakash. I'm a science teacher from India. Please share this idea with everyone. And to all my friends in the IT community, please share it with your children. Hope your children get inspired and they come up with some brilliant ideas. I really wish these children become inventors in their own right. Thank you very much.